Hey, I'm Joe with the Elite Edge Transformation Center.
And I'm Eddie Mack.
And today we're going to show you the proper way to throw a Superman punch. So, Superman punch, you see a lot of it. The biggest mistake I see is people don't know when to throw it or how to throw it. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do it today. And I feel like I have a really good Superman punch. I've landed it in a lot of fights. The UFC even used me doing a Superman punch as their icon for the video game. So, kind of makes me a quasi-authority on this. So anyways, the first thing when you're setting up a Superman punch, you have to start kicking first because all it is a fake kick that you're throwing a punch. So if you just come out and throw your Superman punch, there's no setup, right? So you have to set it up. So first, if you don't have good kicks, don't worry about doing a Superman punch yet. Get your kicks right first. Once you have your kicks right, you're going to set it up. So we're fighting here. Boom, I'm going to throw my low kick. Throw my low kick. Now I've got him worried about that. Now, I'm going to make the motion like I'm going to throw it. And if he does that, that's when I come here, I kick it back, and come over the top with my Superman. So really, once you get the setup down, the main thing is you just need to practice this motion and do it very slow. So step one, you're going to just throw your foot out there. And then you're going to hop off this foot. Boom. This motion right here, when I do this, if I've been kicking good, he's going to react. He might check it. He might do a lot of things. But I got to make him believe that my kick's coming, or else he's not going to fall for the Superman punch. Because you don't want to just come out there and jump up in the air, and then he's going to front kick you, hit you with a cross, do a number of things. So it's all about timing. So here, the drill to really get this down, coming up, and as my foot, you see my foot is forward, my hand is back, and I'm going to jump up and rotate. And that's all it is. It's the simplest thing in the world. It looks complicated, but it's actually very simple. So, I'm here, just going to bring that up, and I'm jumping and landing, just like that. So with nobody around, if you just want to drill it, your drill is here. And then I'm going to hop with that foot. We can even do these on an agility ladder or a line. So your drill is here, forward, back. You're just cocking the back, jumping up. But once you get that motion down, do that little drill. And then when you're sparring, boom, you throw your kick, boom, and it becomes super easy. If you want to see more stuff like that, subscribe below or come check us out. Elite Edge, Ankeny MMA program. Click the link below. Come check us out.